Documenting voltage readings at each terminal during troubleshooting reveals patterns and speeds accurate diagnosis for recurring electrical issues. When measuring terminal voltages, record the exact value, time of day, and operating conditions to create a reliable baseline for future comparison. Use a quality digital multimeter set to the appropriate direct current or alternating current range, and touch one lead to the terminal and the other to a verified reference point or neutral, holding steady until the reading stabilizes. For circuits with intermittent behavior, perform measurements under load, noting the connected device state and whether the meter's presence changes the circuit. Load testing uncovers voltage drops and weak connections that no-load checks often miss. Use clear labels for each terminal on your diagram or photo, describe the meter model and probe contact method, and capture any transient spikes or dips by recording multiple readings over time or using a logging meter when available. When comparing readings between visits, focus on trend direction rather than isolated values, and calculate voltage drop across components by subtracting terminal-to-terminal values to identify excessive resistance. If working on three-phase or multi-rail supplies, document phase-to-phase and phase-to-neutral voltages and the sequence to detect imbalance or phase loss. Explain that three-phase systems, distribute load and imbalance can indicate a failing motor, loose connection, or partial supply fault. Protect yourself and the installation by de-energizing circuits when safe to do so, wearing insulated gloves and eye protection when measuring live terminals, and shutting off power before making or breaking terminal connections to avoid arcs that alter readings and damage equipment. Common mistakes include recording a single reading without context, which yields misleading data. Solve this by taking multiple readings under different loads and noting conditions. A second error is poor contact with terminals, producing noisy or low readings. Fix this by cleaning terminals, using back probe techniques or clamp adapters for tight spaces, and ensuring meter leads have firm contact. A third issue is failing to label readings clearly, causing confusion for technicians on return visits. Remedy this by using consistent naming, date and time stamps, and attaching photos or simple diagrams to the written log. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors tailored to the documented electrical issues and offers contractors targeted leads based on specific services and service areas. The site simplifies matching measured problems to specialists and helps contractors build trust through verified homeowner reviews and project histories.